We are here at the Washington Madison Wells Garage here in Chicago, Illinois. Ooh, that sounds familiar. Doko Garage.
These were Westinghouse.
There's like MAD and EC buttons on here.
Oh, look,
ECC buttons.
These elevators are getting modernized.
Modernization certificate.
Yeah, they got a mod permit. Oh yeah, it's a new one too. So these are getting modded. Hold on, before we go anywhere, I want to look at this. Oh look, what are the countries? Spain, USA, Italy, Scotland, Greece, Ireland, England, France, Canada, China, ground, Australia. You know, my favorite country is ground.
Yeah. I think these are PTL. But then these are like MAD buttons right here.
These are kind of close. Right.
12.
Nice.
I think the controller's replaced.
Yes,
Usually they don't ding
Yeah.
like that. Usually they ding when I arrive at the floor.
Yeah, I'm not surprised these had replaced controllers. Oh look, there was an emergency light above the PI.
Oh yeah.
What's the what are the old boxing ones? Here's the panel. Sun is nice. Insert.
These have a mod certificate too.
What?
These have a mod certificate too.
Okay. That's it. Could you bring them one more